Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another tutorial, and today I will be doing fruit nails, and I definitely love fruit nails. I hope you guys enjoy watching these fruit nail tutorials that I've created in the past because I definitely love them, so I wanted to bring it back. So today I'll just be randomizing a different combination of fruit and then combining a teal slash aqua ombre color with a glitter. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And by the way, thank you so much for all the love and support and all my subscribers. I am so grateful for you guys. Buff the nails for a more seamless application. Remember to only apply a peel-off coat if you want to pop them right off or you don't plan to wear the nails for long. Now I'm just applying the L.A Colors base coat and top coat to all the nails. So now that I'm done prepping my nails, I will now move on to the polishes of choice, and I am using the Beetles 900 and I'm also using a Dollar Tree one, and I'm just combining them together to create an ombre effect, and then I am just curing the nail under the UV lamp for about 60 seconds. Now I just begin to repeat the process on all the nails. Now I'm grabbing the L.A Colors base coat and top coat as a glue to adhere all my fruit. These are what the nails look like after I've placed everything on. I think they look so cute. They're different and they're a bit much, but they definitely look beautiful. So now I'm applying this Kiss Gel Shine top coat, and by the way guys, this is an amazing top coat. You literally apply 2 to 3 coats, it looks phenomenal. I literally tested today the Model 1's top coat versus this one, and this one definitely won. So it is amazing, and it's only $1 at the Dollar Tree. If you have a Dollar Tree nearby, I definitely recommend you guys go check it out because they definitely have some great finds. Here are the final results of the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much once again for all the love and support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.